My name's Cooney. I'm from Smethport, Pennsylvania, and I'm in the Welding Technology program at Alfred State. I just enjoy working with my hands. Going into my senior year, I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do, but I was able to do some side work with welding, and I just really enjoyed it. So I'd say my favorite part is just that it's all focused on welding. You know, there's no gen eds or anything. It's all specific to welding. So everything you learn from the time you get here to the time you leave is involved in the classroom work. So I visited a couple other places, and most of them had gen ed courses or some sort of free courses you had to take. I enjoyed just being able to jump right in here and get started. So I'm on the archery team. So looking at Alfred, I also enjoyed that they had an archery team. Pretty much day to day, just come to class and then head back onto campus, and I'll go to the range for 2 or 3 hours, and it's just a good experience being able to be involved in something on campus as well. So if you like working with your hands and just being involved in something and seeing a finished product every day, I mean, that's really what I enjoy about it, is you start with something and then you finish with a finished product. So I'd say the biggest thing is it's just giving me confidence. I didn't want to jump right into the work field and try to work my way up and not have any clue what I was doing. So it's definitely boosted my confidence and have a better idea going into a job.